So for today's video, I'm going to create a blog about the refrigeration in terms of their operationally principle, characteristic, advantage, and limitation. So refrigeration. The terms refrigeration means calling a space, substance or system to lower and or maintain the temperature below the ambient one while the removed heat is rejected at the higher temperature. In other words, refrigeration is a artificial human-made cooling. Energy in the form of heat is removed from a lower temperature reservoir and transferred to a higher temperature reservoir. The works of energy transfer is traditionally driven by mechanical means, but can also be driven by heat, magnesium, electricity, laser, or other means. Refrigeration has many applications including household refrigeration, industrial freezer, cryogenic, and air conditioning. Heat pumps may use the heat output of the refrigeration process and also may be designed to be reversible but are otherwise similar to air conditioning unit. Operating principle. The absorption of the amount of heat necessary for the change of states from the liquid to a vapor by evaporation and the release of the amount of heat necessary for the change of state from the vapor back to the liquid by the condensation are the main principles of the refrigeration process or cycle. There are 7 types of operating principles. First, safety. Second, temperature. Third, humidity. Fourth, heat. 5, heat flow. 6, heat transfer. 7, pressure. Characteristic of goods refrigerant. 1. Lessons of evaporization must be higher, lesser the most required per unit capacity. 2. It must be volatile, capable of being evaporated, low boiling point. 3. Safety in operating condition, non-explosive. 4. Non-toxic and easy to detect by simple tests. 5. It must have reasonable evaporating and condensing pressure. 6. Compression ratio must lower, thus lower power consumption required and high volume efficiency. 7. Critical temperature should be well above condensing temperature. Advantage of refrigeration. The basic advantage of air refrigeration is the working substance, which is always available in the atmosphere. Next, the refrigerant air is free of cost and the system is simple to understand. The refrigerant keeps the container cool by breaking the bacterial involvement. Last, there is no danger of fire due to the leakage of refrigerant from the pipes. Disadvantage of refrigerant. The running cost of the refrigeration is high because the coefficient of performance COP is very low. Per 1 ton of refrigeration, the quality of refrigerant used is high compared to other systems and environment as the air contain moisture which can affect the danger of thrusting at the valve.